Hi, welcome to grade 5th CBSE all subject by Savita for the YouTube channel. Kids, this is our science lecture. Today we start 5th one chapter. Kids, unit 2nd materials and 5th one chapter rocks and minerals. We on page number 60. Kids, rocks and minerals are used for various purposes. For example, in primary, you use slate. That one slate also using rocks. Okay. Textbook given here. One picture. This one girl writing here on a slate. Okay. From this one chapter, we learn rocks and minerals. Here textbook given fill-ups. Few. Fill up the missing letters to get the name of rocks being used by a Shafina below. Her name Shafina. See, first one S dash 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 E. S-L-A-T-E, slate. Second one C dash 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 K, chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. And third one R dash B dash ruby. Okay, R-U-B-Y. Kids, now come to the point. Our next topic, first one, rocks. We learn about rocks. Kids, many of the materials that we use every day are made from a different kinds of rock. Each kind of rock in turn is composed of different minerals depending on the way they are formed. Rocks are grouped into three types. How many? Three types. Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. First one, igneous rock. The earth can be divided into three layers: crust, metal and core. What we see as a soil and a mountains is only the surface of the earth, also called the crust. Underlying the crust is the metal and below that is the core. The earth core is made of a molten rock. This molten rock flows out from the earth interior to the surface when a volcano erupts. This later cools and solidifies to form igneous rocks. When inside the earth, molten rock is called a magma. When it flows out onto the surface, it is called a lava. Almost 95% of the earth crust is made up of a igneous rock. Rocks are granite, obsidian and pumice. Granite, it is a very hard granite. It is a very hard rock and is formed by the slow cooling and lava. It is used extensively as a building material as polished granite on kitchen counters and floors. Granite comes in many colors and patterns. Obsidian, it is a smooth and glassy and is formed by the quick cooling of lava. Obsidian is used in making jewelry and ornaments. It is usually black or a dark color. Pumice, it is a porous or a full of hole and is formed from the lava that is a frothy with a lot of air in it. It can float in water due to the trapped air. It is used in making lightweight building material such as a concrete blocks. You can see here this one a granite, this one a obsidian, this one a pumice. Molten means hot and a liquid. Fronty means full of bubbles. Kids, now turn to page number 62. Now we learn about the sedimentary rocks. Rain, wind and rivers flow down mountains, wear away rocks on the mountains. These rocks particles are carried down and deposited elsewhere. Repeated deposition presents down the lower layers and hardens them into rocks. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Here is your answer. What is the sedimentary rocks? They are always formed in layers. They cover 3/4 of the earth surface, although they make up less than 5% of the total of earth rocks. Examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. Then sandstone. What is a sandstone? It is a soft stone. What is a form of sand particles deposited close together. Many of India's famous old buildings such as the Red Fort in Delhi and many places in Rajasthan are made of sandstone. Next one, conglomerate. It has rounded stones such as pebbles and gravel cement together into a mass. It has coarse grains and can withstand weathering. It is used in a construction and is used also polished to make ornaments. Next one about a shell. It is made of a solidified clay and comes apart in thin layer. It is used in making bricks and cement. Next one, limestone. It is a rock with fine grains that are quite soft. It contains the mineral calcium and tiny bites of animal shell. It is used in making many things such as whitewash, paint and cement. Many sedimentary rocks have fossil in them because along with bites of rocks, animals and plants remains also get deposited during rock formation. Next one, metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that are formed because of physical and chemical changes in a igneous sedimentary or older metamorphic rocks themselves. These changes happen because of heat and pressure. Example of metamorphic rocks are marble, slate, gneisses and quartzite. The next one about marble. It is formed from the sedimentary rock. Limestone marble is used in making statues and for other ornamental purpose. It is quite popular as a material for flooring too. Next one about a slate. It is also a rock. It is a form from a shell. A sedimentary rock like a shell, it splits into flat layers. It is used to make bricks and cement. Next one about gneiss. It is formed from granite. It has different kinds of minerals in it which gave it a stripped or a streaked look. It is used as a building stone. The next one, quartzite. It is formed from a sandstone that is rich in the mineral quartz. It is a very hard rock and is weather resistant. It is used in a glass and ceramic industries and also in making jewelry and ornaments. Kids, now few things remember. Let's remember. Here is identify the rocks correctly, textbook saying. Then write whether they are igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. First one, red Fort in Delhi is made of this rock, sandstone. Okay. Then this rock is made of a solidified clay and it is used to make a bricks and a cement. Shell, this one. This rock contains calcium and tiny bits of animal shell. It is used to make a plain limestone. This stock is made from a granite and has a mineral that give it is a stripped look. Zenith. It is rich in the mineral quartz and is used in a glass and a ceramic industries. Quartzite. Kids, now turn page about. We learn about minerals. All rocks are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are chemical substances with a fixed chemical composition that occur in nature. They are formed due to natural process occurring within the earth. They may be simple substances or very complex ones. Minerals are of two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Magnet and bauxite are example of metallic minerals, whereas calcite, gypsum, mica and quartz are example of non-metallic minerals. Some minerals such as iron, calcium and potassium are important for a living organism. Here's now next, magnet. In a general, substances that can attract iron are called magnets. Other than iron, magnet can also attract object made of a cobalt and a nickel. There are two types of magnet, natural and a human made magnet. Natural magnets are found in nature. For example, magnetite. It is believed to have been discovered by a Greek shepherd named Magnus. Human made magnets are made by a human, generally from iron, nickel or a cobalt. Magnets come in a different shape and size. All magnets have two ends called the North Pole and the South Pole. We learn this one in a SST. North Pole and South Pole about. The North Pole is marked as a capital N and the South Pole is as a capital S direction. Okay, on a man-made magnet. You can see here N for North and S for a South Pole. Human made a magnet. This one. Okay. Kids, now uses of minerals. We use various minerals in a different form in our daily life. Some of them are given below. First one, minerals are used as building material. Certain minerals such as gypsum and calcite are used to make a building materials such as mortar, cement and concrete. Next one, minerals gives us useful metals. Several minerals or groups of minerals are rich in a metal. For example, magnesite is rich in iron and bauxite is rich in aluminium. Such minerals are called ores. These ores are used for extracting metal, which are further used for making utensil, machine parts, electric wires, coaches of trains and airplanes. Precious metals such as gold, silver and platinum are used for making ornament and jewelry. Next one, minerals are used as gemstones. Several attractive minerals such as diamond, ruby, emerald, sapphire and topaz are used gemstone. These minerals are found in the form of a crystal. When polished, they appear beautiful and shiny. Hence, they are used in making jewelry. Next one, minerals serve as a fertilizer. Some minerals such as sulfates and nitrates are added fertilizers to the soil. Fertilizers help plants to grow better. Rock salt, chalk, and talcum powder are obtained from minerals too. Next one, minerals serve as a part of our diet. Our body needs certain minerals such as calcium, sodium, and iron in very small quantities for its healthy functioning. Next one about coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are two important products obtained from a rock present deep within the earth. Coal is usually found in layers. It is formed from a dead plant matter buried under great pressure over millions of years. Hence, it is known as a fossil fuel. Coal is extracted from the ground by coal mining. It is one of the most important fuel and is used for cooking, heating, producing electricity and running steam engine. Like coal, petroleum is also fossil fuel formed when large quantities of a dead organism are buried underneath sedimentary rocks and subjected to it intense heat and pressure. It is a natural yellow to black liquid found beneath the earth's surface is commonly refined and various type of fuels such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, gasoline and LPG. Kids, now let's remember for us. Write whether the following are a metallic or a non-metallic. Okay, minerals. First one, magnet, metallic. Calcite, non-metallic. Bauxite, metallic. Mica, non-metallic. Quartz, non-metallic. Then next B1, give one example for each of the following mineral used as a fertilizer, and second one, mineral used as a building material. Third one, mineral used as a gemstone. This one a ruby. Okay. Second one is a calcite, and first one it's a your homework. Okay. Then kids, we finish here and few keywords and a summary for better answer. We by head it. Okay. If you by head keywords, you write down any definition. For example, igneous rocks, what is a magma, what is a magma, what is a lava, what is a sedimentary rocks, what is a metamorphic rocks. All keywords use your answer. Okay. Igneous rocks means what? Rocks form as a result of a cooling and a solidification of a molten rock are called igneous rocks. Then what is a magma? Molten rock inside the earth is called a magma. Then lava, what is a lava? Molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth is called a lava. Then next, what is the sedimentary rocks? Rocks formed by the repeated deposition of a rock. Particles that are worn away from the mountain by wind and water are called sedimentary rocks. Then last one, metamorphic rocks. Rocks that have changed their form over time are called metamorphic rocks. Then time to summary. Summary also very important to write down your questions answer. It's very important statement or a sentence from this one chapter. Okay, first one, depending on the way rocks are formed, they can be grouped as igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Second one important statement, igneous rocks are formed when molten rock cools down and solidifies. Third one, sedimentary rocks are formed by the repeated deposition of a rock particles that are on away from mountains by wind and water. They are formed in layers. Then next, another one important statement or a sentence. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that are formed because of a physical and chemical changes in igneous sedimentary or older metamorphic rocks themselves caused by heat and pressure. And last one, rocks and minerals are used for various purposes. Kids, now obviously exercise time, question answer time. Let's understand A1 objective type question. Orally, we take this one. Okay, if you have any confusion, any doubt, comment me. We clear this one in our next science lecture. If you didn't understood, I show you how to write that one specific question answer. Okay, first one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, all rocks are made of dash dash minerals or ores, minerals, minerals, that type. Okay, second one, the surface of the earth is called the crust. Third one, granite is very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. Fourth one, sedimentary rocks are always formed in a layers. Fifth one, metamorphic rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in existing rocks. Okay, then second one, write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one, pumice is the only rock that can float. True. Second one, shale is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. False. Third one, gypsum and mica are metallic minerals. False. Third one, bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. True. Fifth one, coal and petroleum are forms of sedimentary rocks. It's true. Then third one question, choose the correct option. First one, which of these is not a layer of the earth? Core, genius, crust or mantle? Genius. Now turn to page number 68. Second one, which of these is a igneous rock that is a smooth and glassy? Obsidian. Third one, which of these leads of a formation of a metamorphic rocks? Physical changes, chemical changes, effects of heat and pressure on rocks. All of these option correct option. Fourth one, which of these minerals are used to make building materials? Magnesiate and bauxite, limestone quartz, gypsum calcite. C1, gypsum and calcite. Okay. Fifth one, which of these material can be used to make a magnet? Nickel. Sixth one, which of these is commonly used for a flooring? Marble. Seventh one, which of these can be used to make a magnet? Iron and a nickel. Eighth one, which of these is not a gypstone? This one gold. Then next one question, match the columns, column A and column B. Column A, genius. This one metamorphic rock means C1. Okay. Second one, mica. This one non-metallic mineral, E1. Then third one, magnesiate. Third one, then D1, sedimentary rock. No, metallic mineral, D1. Okay. Magnetite. Then fourth one, conglomerate. Fourth one, B, sedimentary rocks. Fifth one, obsidian, igneous rocks. Then B1, very short answer question answer. It's a notes. Give two example of the following. No, it's a option question. Two option write down. Okay. First one, mineral used as a building material, gypsum and calcite. Second one, ore is iron and bauxite. Third one, precious metal, gold and silver. Fourth one, gemstone, ruby and diamond. Fifth one, fossil fuel, coal and petroleum. Then next, give one word for the following. On page number 69. Molten rock found inside the earth, magma. Second one, molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth, lava. rock that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks. Third one, metamorphic. And fourth one, substances that make up rocks, minerals. Fifth one, a substance that can attract iron, magnesium. Then C1, answer the following. First one, what are rocks made of? Name the three types of rocks. Let's come. What are rocks made of? And name the three types of rock. Chapter starting, there is our answer. What is a rock? How rock? See. You can see here, many of the material that we use every day are made from a different kind of rock. Each kind of rock in a turn is composed of a different mineral. Depending on the way they are formed, rocks are grouped into three types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Okay, kids. Kids, now second one question. Which one? How are igneous rocks formed? Give two example of igneous rocks and their uses. There is igneous rocks. Pumice, granite. See here, igneous rocks are a granite, topside, and here is our answer. Okay. First, again we read this one question. How are igneous rocks formed? How? Igneous rock form. See, here is the earth core is made of a molten rock. This molten rock flows out from the earth, entered to the surface when a volcano erupts. This later cooled and solidified to form igneous rocks. Okay. How form? Then when inside the earth, molten rock is called a magma. Don't write this one. Okay. About magma. Almost 95% of the earth crust is made of igneous rocks. This one you write down. Example of igneous rocks. Example 3 is here. Granite, obsidian, and pumice. And then write down about granite, obsidian, and pumice. Granite about is very hard. Okay. It is extensively and building material as polished granite or a kitchen counter. You can write down examples, okay, where it's used. Obsidian, it is a smooth. How it is write down its characteristics and uses, okay, only. It is a smooth and a glassy, okay. The quick cooling of lava. Obsidian is used in making jewelry and ornament. You write down, okay. And which color that one? Black or a dark color. And third one, example, pumice. It is porous or full of a hole, and we write on lava, that is frothy with a lot of air in it. Okay, it is used making lightweight building materials such as concrete blocks. Okay, their characteristics and their uses, it should be in your answer. Now next one, third one, why are sedimentary rocks form in a layer? Why are sedimentary rocks form in a layer? Where is a sedimentary rock? Sedimentary rocks here is on page number 62. Why are sedimentary rocks form in a layer? Okay, let's come. Why sedimentary rock form a layer? Rain, wind, and rivers flowing down mountains wear away rock on a mountain. These rock particles are carried down and were deposited elsewhere. Repeated deposition pressure down the lower layers and hardness them into rocks. Such rocks are called as sedimentary rocks. They are always formed in layers. Okay, because of again and again deposited, that one. Okay, rain, wind, and rivers flowing down mountains. Okay, your answer, you start from here to they are always formed in layers till it. Okay, then next one, What are minerals? List any 3 uses of a minerals. What are minerals? At the end of chapter there is a minerals. Okay, what are minerals? Here is a all rocks are made up of substances called a minerals. This one. Okay, and they saying next list any 3 uses of a minerals. And here is a uses of a minerals. 3 uses you write down. Minerals are used in a building material. And next one, minerals gives us useful metal. Third one, minerals are used as a gemstones, and minerals serve as a fertilizer. Minerals serve as a part of our diet. You can write down any 3. Okay, now next, what are a fossil fuel? Fossil fuel. Last one there is a what are a fossil fuel? Our answer is on page number 65. You can see here inside coal and petroleum. Okay, see, coal and petroleum are 2 important products obtained from rocks present deep within the earth. Here is, you can write down our answer. Start here from coal is usually found in a layers. It is formed from dead plant matter buried under great pressure over millions of years. Hence, it is known as a fossil fuel. Okay, and what are fossil fuels? Okay, that one you write down. Question your. Okay, and you write down another one like coal. Petroleum is also fossil fuel. Okay, formed when large quantities of a dead organism are buried underneath sedimentary rocks and are subjected to intense heat and pressure. Okay, write down fossil fuels. Example, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Okay, that type. Example are very important in your answer. 6th one, what are magnets? Differentiate between natural and man-made magnet. Okay, what are magnets? See here on page number 64. In general, substance that can attract iron are called a magnet. Okay, and what our question saying? Differentiate between natural and a man-made magnet. Okay, natural and a man-made. See, there are 2 types of magnet: natural and human-made magnets. Natural magnets are found in a nature. For example, given their definition, examples you write down. Okay, natural means found in a nature, and example is you write down magnesiate. Okay, then it is believed to have and discovered by a Greek shepherd. Okay, named Magnus. Then next one, human made magnets are made by man. And first one, natural in a found in a nature, and human made magnet made by man, human made. Okay, generally you write down example there, iron, nickel, or cobalt. Okay, that type 2 different you write down. Then next one, let's recall type of rocks. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Fill this one a map. Read this one lesson, and it's very easy. Then if you understood, I hope all of you understood better this one chapter, and easily you can fill this one charts. Okay, it's very important. Let's recall, and here is a let's observe also. Identify what is shown here. Why is it called a fossil fuel? You write down. Okay, here. Then next one, look at the picture and write the names of the rocks. Also maintain their type. This one pumice. Okay, this one limestone sedimentary type. You can write down. Okay, kids, if you have any doubt, comment me in next science lecture. We clear it. If you have no doubt, then we start next one of our 6th one chapter, unit 3. The world of the living. Chapter title: Animals, Habit and Adaptation.